Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create the red light green light Squid Game doll on Dress to Impress. So I am going to use VIP for this because I need this certain top, and I'm going to color it yellow, but not this bright. So I'm just going to tone it down a little bit, and I'm also going to use the silk for it, because the metallic one is a little bit too shiny. And the doll kind of gives like a little bit of sheen to it, so I am going to add that. And then for the orange, I'm just going to do this orange and then silk again for the material. Then I'll just copy and paste the color here. Then for the dress, I am going to be using this one. Okay, so I'm just going to again color it the same color as that too. Like that. And then I am going to use like stockings to make her, I guess, like body shiny. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to color it the same as her skin tone, which I saved already here. Again, with the silk like color, I might make it a little bit lighter because it does turn darker when I add that. Maybe this color, I'm just going to save it as well. And then I'm going to add these gloves again, coloring it the same. Then adding the silk one here. The silk, I guess, like toggle material. I'm trying to toggle. Okay, and then I do have to use these. Where is it? The like leg warmers, because if I just use socks, it's not going to like show. Again with the silk, and then I will add sock still on it. Just the medium one, coloring it the same. With that silk kind of like toggle. Okay. And then for the shoes, I am just going to add this again with the silk and then coloring it black, which I think it already is. And that is it. If you want to add more stuff to it, that is fine with me, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my head to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.